Today's show, I have a Valentine Sweetheart Treat. A Valentine Sweetheart Treat. It's that time of the year, but you know a treat is wonderful any time of the year. I start off with this whole wheat waffle. You can make it yourself, but I just got a frozen brand, and I'm going to put this in the oven and let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Well, while the waffle is in the oven, and it'll be there for about 7 or 10 minutes, and I put it at 350, you can get your strawberry sauce out. Now, I show you how to make this strawberry sauce in another show that I've done. And in this show, you'll see where to click so you can get the details on how to make this delicious homemade strawberry sauce. So I'll put this in the microwave and heat it up. And there's another ingredient that we are going to use for that Valentine Sweetheart Treat. Now I take this, I have Parquet liquid margarine, and I use this sometimes because it has no trans fats. And a trans fat means that you've taken a natural fat like corn oil or soybean oil, and you turn it into a saturated fat. I'm always trying to cut back on saturated fats. I think it's a good idea for you as well. So this is liquid Parquet, and I just squeeze a little bit on the waffle when it comes out the oven. And then I take an ice cream scoop and I get this Breyer's ice cream because it's non-dairy, but there are other brands out there. Now, some of the brands taste more like ice milk, but I do like this because you have more of a full flavor. The mouthfeel is good, and it's more similar to fat, which is in ice cream. So I get a good scoop. Now, the scoop that I have is a number 12 scoop, which means it's going to give me just a third of a cup. Usually in the grocery store, you don't see the larger scoop, which is a number 8 scoop of my non-dairy ice cream. And like I said, right now I'm using Breyer's, but another flavor that I like is Ben & Jerry's. I was at the Ben & Jerry's factory in Vermont not too very long ago, and I got a chance to just kind of tour around, and it's so nice up there. Their flavor is good too, but they don't have vanilla in the grocery store. They have an ice cream graveyard, and this is where the ice creams that just didn't do well, they didn't make it, so they put them in the cemetery. That's sad. So anyway, I get another scoop, and again, if you have that larger scoop, then fine. But so here's a cooking tip, and I get it from my book, Pumpkin's Veggie Delights. I have several cooking hints in this book. To save money, pour all leftover vegetables and water in which they are cooked into a freezer container. When full, add tomato juice and seasoning to create a free soup. Take that strawberry sauce, and again, you can see it in this show, to click on it and just drizzle as much as you want of that homemade strawberry sauce. Hot strawberry sauce, man, that's delicious. That is my Valentine Sweetheart Treat. Ice cream, enjoy. Enjoy.